Hello guys, kumusta? We have here another repair. It's a table lamp with a round glass on top and marble base with a dimmer switch that needs to replace the double-ended socket. So let's start. Remove the screen bulb cover. Loosen the center screw that holds the top cover. Loosen the two screw and nut that holds the double-ended socket. Remove the hex nut. And pull the socket. Then cut the wire from the socket. The common problem of this socket is the contact become corroded over time because of the heat of the bulb. The length of the bulb of this socket is 78 mm. Insert the wire of the new double-ended socket to the hole on top of the lamp. Align the two screws on top of the lamp to the hole of the socket bracket. Then put back the hex nut to hold the socket and tighten it. Shorten the wire of the socket, same as the length of the existing wire. Strip the socket wire and the power cord on both sides. Connect the black wire power cord to the socket wire and use a porcelain wire nut. Then connect the white wire power cord to the socket wire and put the porcelain wire nut. Put back the top cover. And tighten the screws that holds it. Then install the halogen bulb. And clean the bulb with tissue paper or cloth. Then put back the screen bulb cover.